Hey, how's it going? I just want to talk about a quick short video here today. 2013 Dodge Charger. Doing the rear control arms. And, you know, thanks to Dodge, Chrysler, all that bullcrap, you're able to access all in but one. And in order to do that, you literally have to lower the rear cross member. Subframe, whatever. But yeah, here, take a look. Okay, so I'm changing all these control arms on here. We got this one here. It's done. Those are fairly easy to do. Both of them are 18 millimeters. 18 mil for both. That's on the one rears to the vehicle. I did this one up here, the center one right here, a couple weeks ago. It's a little tight, but also 18 millimeter. Just at this bottom one here. Also 18 millimeter. Use a ratchet, wrench, impact. But this piece of thingamajig right here, you literally have to lower the subframe. Cross member, whatever. So I lowered it that much because see that bolt right there, that has to slide out this way towards me in order to release it from there. And when it's sitting up seated, it's literally hitting the body on that side. So thank you, Dodge. Piss poor design, garbage. All these cars with these independent rear suspension, it's nothing but a headache. You got all these control arms that are useless in my opinion. But yeah, and I don't have, like, it's just, I'm speechless. And you also got to take out the rear inner liner. You don't have to, but you get more access in this area here. It's nice to have some room. I just disconnected the caliper because as I lowered it, don't want to squeeze the brake hose. But yeah, and those lower covers. Any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks. Like, comment, subscribe.